Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65 or 18 on off-road, white outlined leather and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.